Today, let's talk about something very simple, something familiar, something that has been part of human life for thousands of years. The apple, not as a trend, not as a superfood headline, but as a quiet, everyday fruit that supports the body in gentle, natural ways. Apples are rich in dietary fiber, especially a type called pectin. This fiber helps slow digestion, allowing nutrients to be absorbed more steadily. When digestion is calm and balanced, energy levels feel more stable. There are fewer sudden drops and fewer sharp spikes. This is one reason why apples are often recommended as a simple, reliable snack. They don't overwhelm the body, they support it. Apples also contain natural antioxidants. These compounds help protect cells from daily stress caused by pollution, poor sleep, and long demanding routines. This protection does not happen overnight. It works quietly through consistency. Another important benefit of apples is how they support heart health. The fiber in apples can help manage cholesterol levels over time, especially when apples are eaten regularly. Not occasionally, not perfectly, just regularly. Apples also have a high water content. This helps support hydration while keeping calories low. Because of this balance, apples can help people feel full without feeling heavy. There is also something calming about the act of eating an apple. It requires no preparation, no instructions, no complexity. You simply slow down, take a bite, and continue with your day. In a world that often feels rushed, this simplicity matters. In the next part, we'll look deeper into how apples support blood sugar balance, the immune system, and daily mental clarity. In the first part, we talked about the quiet foundation that apples provide for digestion and heart health. Now, let's look at how apples support balance inside the body day after day. One of the most valuable qualities of apples is how they affect blood sugar levels. Although apples taste sweet, their fiber slows the release of sugar into the bloodstream. This makes apples a gentle choice for people who want steady energy without sharp crashes. Eating an apple with the skin is especially important. Most of the fiber and many antioxidants are found there. Apples also contain vitamin C, which supports the immune system in a calm, supportive way. Rather than forcing the body, vitamin C helps strengthen the systems that already exist. Over time, this can help the body respond better to everyday stress and seasonal changes. Another often overlooked benefit of apples is their impact on mental clarity. Stable blood sugar and steady digestion can help the brain stay focused for longer periods. This is why apples are often recommended as a light snack during work or study. There is also a psychological comfort connected to apples. They are familiar, reliable, uncomplicated. These small details matter more than we often realize. Apples do not promise transformation. They do not claim perfection. They offer support, quietly, consistently, without pressure. When included as part of a balanced lifestyle, apples become more than just fruit. They become a small daily habit that gently supports the body, the mind, and overall well-being. Sometimes the most effective choices are not the loudest ones. They are the ones that work quietly in the background.